Now I want to create a duplicate of that same folder I created in the Fabian file locker in the Hall School of Journalism's server for my external storage device. Okay, now I am using a Macintosh notebook, and they are designed a little bit differently here more recently. The two inputs for USB devices are next to each other, which makes it very difficult to plug in two items at once. So I'm going to do this a little bit differently. You are presumably using a desktop in the JLab, so you can have two USB items, for example, two flash drives. You can have your earbuds plugged in if it uses a USB input and also a flash drive, and everything works. But on a notebook, I need a actual USB hub to input both devices. Okay, if that was confusing, it is okay. We're still going to move forward. Now, right now, I'm going to just close out of the Finder. I'm back to my desktop. Let's see what we have here. We're going to create a folder, so I'll click on File, New Folder. Again, I am only working on the desktop, which you can go through the same method, because right now I don't have access to my flash drive. So I'll click on the untitled folder. Immediately I should go ahead and change the name of that. So I click on File, Get Info. I'm going to click on the name and extension, highlight untitled folder, and give this the same name as of Professor Tab. So you'll give it the same, your first and last name, as you did for the folder, which will be inside of your file locker. Hit the return key to save it, and immediately I see here that those changes have been made. Go ahead and close that item. Okay, great. Now let's open it. Double click to open it. I'm going to go back to that same item as I did before. New folder, CSS lowercase, return, new folder again, images, return, enter there, new folder a third time, resources, scripts. Okay, great. This is good. So I'm going to close this out since I do have it. And you still see here that I have access to my file lockers, but all of them are closed. As was already mentioned several times, we want to ensure that we do not leave any devices on the desktop. Okay, great. I'm going to go ahead and close this right